what's going on? What's going on? What is going on? Hey, this is another video brought to you by none other than Gliding on Twos. On this episode, I'll bring to you another ride. What's going on? This is, like I said, Gliding on Twos, coming back at you with another video. And today I'm just out and about, taking in the sun while I can. I mean, whoo, it's like 55 degrees, January, and I felt like riding. So today I'm going over to my local Harley Davidson dealer. And you ask why? Why not? Why not? I got nothing better to do, you know, so I want to bring you all on a ride, especially, like I said, I know I talked to a lot of folks, and I got a lot of new friends on YouTube. So we all get to talking, we all get to chattering, and a lot of them are not able to ride right now because, well, the weather. They live up north, and this year that weather has been brutal on them with the snow. So I don't blame them for not riding, man. I really don't. I wouldn't do it either. So I'm just out here doing my small part and trying to bring them a video they can watch and get them prepped and ready for their springtime to come. And hopefully they can get out there and ride pretty soon. Yeah, that's what I'm out here doing. And I got a question for you all. And the question I have for you today is, what got you, what got you into riding in the first place? That's my question to you all. So go ahead and put those comments down there. Put them down there and let me know what got you into riding in the first place. For me, what got me into riding is the simple sheer adrenaline rush of it. I'm an adrenaline junkie. That's what got me into riding in the first place. Like I said, I'm an Army veteran. I was in for 21 years, and boy, did the Army really take care of my adrenaline rush. I'll tell you that much. I got all I could get out of the military as far as adrenaline is concerned. But I did start riding while I was still in, and it just, you know, getting behind these bars on these two wheels, there's just nothing like it. Everybody who rides, y'all know what I'm talking about. There's just nothing like it. It brings me peace along with that adrenaline. So I mean, I just love it. I started and I haven't looked back. Have never looked back. I can't get over it. Now I can't see my life without a motorcycle. Plain and simple. My life, I just can't see it without a motorcycle. Since I started riding, I haven't been without a bike. Yes, sir. But I mean, look at this. Look at the sun. The sun is it's doing its job today a little bit. You know, I mean, 55. That's not for me. That's good. I can deal with that 55. But anyway, yeah, that's what the adrenaline is what guided me towards motorcycles, and I just love it. And now that, you know, I'm retired, I don't have another career path or anything like that, so that part of my life is over. But I don't get any other adrenaline rushes besides the motorcycle now, so I got to stay on these two wheels. Thankfully I have the opportunity where I can ride year long, because I was talking to some of the guys. We have a little group Instagram chat going on, and we was talking earlier about anxiety and depression, the lack of it from not riding because of the weather. And yes, sir. I mean, I feel it all, because I'm lucky and fortunate that I'm able to ride year long, so I can keep my adrenaline and my love for motorcycle riding throughout the entire year. Because this is my main hobby. I have other hobbies, of course, but they're not adrenaline based. But yeah. Woo-wee. I looked outside the window and I said, "Whoa, hey, that sun is kicking today. What's the temperature? Ooh, 55. Yep, I'm on the bike. Got up, got dressed, get out." But yes, sir. That's the adrenaline. Like I said, it's just the love for it. Now I have this YouTube channel. And that's another hobby. That's what I consider it, because it's not a job. I'm working for myself. Everything depends on me, whether I put out content or not. It's on my own time, so it's a hobby, not a job. Certainly ain't getting paid, but this is something that I love to do. It's just one more hobby. I mean, what better way of combining my love for riding motorcycles with something else that I'm actually interested in now, which is, motor vlogging, doing rides, recording it, putting it up on YouTube for anybody who wants to watch, and just documenting basically my journey, my life on two wheels. So yes, sir. Like I said, this is and I've still got a lot to learn about this YouTube stuff, to be honest. Still got a lot to learn, but I'm learning. There's a lot of great channels out there that are actually helping me right now and giving me tidbits and giving me teaching points, which is great. That's why I'm going to continue making these videos, and putting them out there on YouTube, because of the community. This is an outstanding community, and I'm already here. Don't go for it, please. Thank you. Outstanding community. Well, like I said, let me know in the comments what got you into riding in the first place. Let's have a dialogue. That's what I love the most. I love talking with you all. Let's have a dialogue. Let me know what got you into riding, how many years you've been riding. If you want to divulge that information, you don't have to tell me. And then we could take it from there. This is the Harley Davidson dealer. This is all motorcycle parking spot right here, and this guy wants to park a pickup truck in the motorcycle parking stalls. Like, really, look at in front of me with all that empty parking space that you could possibly want and have, and this guy this guy parks in the motorcycle parking stall. Alright, so that's all, that's what I'm gonna put out. That's my main thing today, was getting out, putting out a video so you all can see, especially for those that are not able to ride, for now at least, and to ask you all how long y'all have been riding for. Go ahead, put it in the comments. I want to have this dialogue going. Let's take it off. And if you don't mind, if you just stumbled onto my channel for the first time, this is Gliding on Twos. Go ahead, if you like the content that you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, so that way, you're subscribed to the channel, you get more of me. That's all I have for now. So I'm gonna get in here, see what they have, and what I want you all to do, as always, is enjoy your ride.